Hi everyone, welcome to Great Online Training. This is Kavya, and in this particular video I am going to discuss about the base SAS certification question number 41. If you are watching this video for the first time, subscribe to the Great Online Training channel and like the video and share the video to your friends and colleagues. So let's enter into the question number 41. The question number 41 is, which SAS function can you use to remove leading and trailing spaces from a character variable? So the options given are trim, subster, strip and left. To answer to this question, first of all we want to know how each character function works in the SAS. So first of all let me explain you these four functions and what is the correct answer for this question. So here you can see now I have written as John. So what is leading and what is trailing? Here the name they write there is John. The before space is there. This is called as leading blank. And after the John name there are some spaces and that is called as trailing blanks. This is called leading and this is called as trailing blanks. So what is the first option? So here you can see the first option is trim function. So how the trim function works, what is its use in the SAS, how it works, let's see now. If you see here there is a name is equals to John. Trim is nothing but removing of the trailing blanks. As you can see, trim is nothing but removing of the trailing blanks. To remove the trailing blanks, we will use the trim as the function. And the next function is subster. What the subster function will use in the SAS? Let's see now. The subster function which is used to extract the words from a character string. So how is that like? Here there is an example like hello world. We want only world but not the hello. We have to extract the word. So to extract the word we will use the function called as subster. And the full form is ER. I have missed it, so you can check it now. And subster, what is the text is there, we have to write the variable name, and then from which position we want to extract the word. Here you can see now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. The comma and extra characters also should be included. We have to count them. And 6, 7 and 8. 8 is the position of W. So we have to write here 8. And up to how many words we want? We want up to 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So comma 5. This is how the subster function will work. And what is the next function here is the strip function. So the strip function which is used to remove the leading and also the trailing blanks. It means you can see here now, here SAS is written and before the SAS some of the blanks are present and after the SAS some of the blanks are present. So before blanks are called as leading blanks and after blanks are called as after the name the blanks are called as trailing blanks as we have discussed it. So for trailing blanks we use the trim function. To remove both the leading and also the trailing blanks we will use the strip function. And what is the next option is left. So to remove trailing blanks we are using the trim. To remove both the trailing and leading we are using the strip. So to remove the left, that is before spaces, we will use the left alignment. So you can think that instead of the trim function can we use the right function, but there is no right alignment in SAS, the character function, there is no right alignment. So to remove the trailing blanks we will use the trim. To remove the leading blanks we can use the left, and also to remove both we can use the strip function. So now you can see, now you know that what is the function of trim and subster and the strip and the left function. So let's see what's question and what is the answer for that. So which SAS function can you use to remove leading and trailing spaces from a character variable? So trim, subster, strip and left. So you can see trim is for trailing, subster is to extract the words, and strip for both leading and trailing spaces, and left which removes the leading space. So the question answer now here is the C option. C is the correct one. So if you don't understand any function, you can ask in the comment section, and subscribe to the Great Online Training channel and like the video, and thank you for watching.